You wanna know where we are? You didn't ask? No? Well, I'm gonna tell you anyways. We in Japan!
Search
AutoTrader!
Welcome to Japan, a dream destination for many reasons. The country speaks for itself with its cars, technology, innovations, and culture. Japan needs no introduction when it comes to this stuff, and especially in the automotive space. As one of the world's automotive giants, many eyes are on this place to see what's cooking in the crockpot. When Suzuki South Africa approached AutoTrader for the opportunity to visit Suzuki's home ground, naturally, we said yes. We were here for a few reasons. One of the biggest ones was Suzuki's showing at the Japan Mobility Show. In a nutshell, this expo is a huge deal. Reason being is that the show looks at the future of not only automobiles, but motorcycles and mobility solutions as a whole. Globally, it shows us what Japan is up to when they're innovating in the mobility space. And in this respect, the Suzuki wheelhouse is pretty busy. Their mantra for this show was, "For the world, passion to create a new answer." The models on display here present answers for many mobility questions. There's a lot to see here, but we'll show the most relatable to South Africans. Many of us saw it coming, but the latest Suzuki Swift concept was confirmed. Although only a taste of what's to come, the future looks promising for the Swift as it's proposed to still maintain that character-filled driving experience while still being easy on the pockets. Next up is the showing of Suzuki's EVX concept, a battery electric vehicle that is claimed to offer a 500-kilometer range on a single charge. Suzuki had heaps of other mobility solutions on two wheels and even short distance mobility too. And speaking of new energies, this vehicle right here, which is powered by compressed methane gas. So much so that it even has its own mascot. Yes, this is real. There's a lot going on here at Suzuki at the Japan Mobility Show, and the expo itself was a blast. But on to the next bit. We took the Shinkansen bullet train at a blistering 300 km per hour to Hamamatsu. This is where you'll find Suzuki's home and headquarters. Just chatting about what we're seeing in the city here, around every corner is a Suzuki, going from small and humble to small and fire-breathing. I've never seen so many Swift sports in one spot. I mean, tell you what, this is an interesting town. But we weren't just here to gawk at a few cars, we visited the Kosai factory to see the manufacturing process. But unfortunately, we were not allowed to capture any footage of the factory, so I'll show you this instead. This is Suzuki Plaza, a Suzuki museum if you will, documenting how humble beginnings in 1909 with Michio Suzuki in the booming looming industry in Japan, and how it blossomed into the motorcycle and automobile powerhouse that Suzuki is today. There were many landmark models throughout history on display here, like the daring Fronte, the 1970s fully electric van, and even a Suzuki Cappuccino. And yes, this is the same one that was used as a model reference for the Gran Turismo racing video game series. It was a Suzuki bonanza here, and lovely to see all its history in one spot. With that being said, I think it's a good time to end off. It was an absolute pleasure to visit Japan, not only because this presenter here is a car nut and journalist, but it was cool to see how things function this side and marvel at the wonders that Japan has to offer. We did try and see Mount Fuji, but it was pretty cloudy. But despite that, Hakone was really nice. All in all, this was a brilliant trip, and a massive thanks goes out to the team at Suzuki Southern Africa for giving us the opportunity to experience Japan. Anyways, that's it for now. If you're looking to buy or sell a vehicle, then AutoTrader is your one-stop shop. Maybe you can also check out the Suzuki offerings that are on site as well. Go and give that a shot.
Search AutoTrader!